My dear friends, today is a bad day. I'm terribly sad. Deeply sad, because I have some issues with my, I don't remember, 30, 40 years Dremel drill. It becomes hot in a minute and turns very slowly. The only thing they can do is open and check all the parts, but if there's something on the electronic parts, I can do nothing. I don't want to buy a new one because can you imagine? I bought this when I had a shop, and I closed the shop at the beginning of 2000. So it's a lot of years, and it's a wonderful machine, fantastic. But perhaps now it's time to say goodbye. So many hours, so many works. I saved so many money with this tool, repairing things, not only models, everything. And now all what I can do is clean. The carbon are good. Maybe there's a lot of dirt. I used to do maintenance on this. Perhaps I can try cleaning, then we will see what happens. Comment, like and subscribe, please. Make me happy. Not so dirt, this part. But cleaning is good also to find problems. Yes, a little bit dirt, but I don't think that this dirt can slow down the drill. Now I clean this, and to clean this I use this. The important thing is that you don't have to, that these spaces has to be very clean. Some metal between two makes a bridge, and so the engine works not so good, up to not working at all. Don't scrape with sandpaper, because the contact is very important. Carbon has not to do flames, sparks. Okay, nice. A little bit of air, dirt everywhere. And this is 2. Now the carbons on the surface, perhaps there will be some grease. So if I have grease there, I can wash with I need a proper this and this dirt nitro. It works. This is the one I use to clean brushes. 1, 2, here inside, gently, then nice. Now I can see the shining metal, carbon, what it is. More than this, I don't know what to do. Which is the front and which is the rear? Like this, I suppose. Yes, because this has to go in here. Pa 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 pa. Ok, gli diamo una soffiata. Let's have a test. Doesn't work. Absolutely stop. I made something wrong. Undo. And voila. And now the test. Wow. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen,